Annealing in a bell-type furnace, also called batch annealing, is a process dedicated to the heat treatment of wire and coils or spools. The bell furnace equipment is composed of a base, its protective bell, also called a muffle, the heating bell or furnace, and the cooling bell. The number of bases, furnaces, and cooling bells depends on the production capacity. The wire coils or spools are placed on carriers. A crane is used to place the carriers on stationary bases or stands and to move the furnace and the cooling bell from one base to the other. Once the heat treatment cycle is achieved, the carriers are unloaded and a new load can be placed on the base. The heating and cooling cycle will be set for low carbon, high carbon, and special alloy wires. Hot rolled wire or rod wire for subsequent cold heading or cold forming requires specific heat treatment called spheroidization, such as the case for fasteners. The bell furnace is also used for recrystallization of drawn wires, which require an adequate metallurgical structure and mechanical properties. The FIB bell furnace is designed for all types of annealing, ranging from regular mild steel SAE 1006 to cold heading quality. The load capacity goes up to 75 tons. The useful diameter and height of the equipment is up to 4.2 meters. The type of annealing depends on the required surface after the heat treatment. For bright wires, the annealing will be made under a protective atmosphere gas consisting either of hydrogen or nitrogen. Black annealing does not require any protective gas. The equipment is equipped with all the necessary safeties to control the gas, protective gas, and water. Various instruments are located in front of each base. The base and its ventilator are both designed for excellent temperature homogeneity in the charge. We can guarantee an accurate temperature throughout the charge. FIB equipment is well known for its robustness and longevity. The basement corridor gives full access to the ventilator and the protective gas cooler. The ventilator can be removed from the bottom without moving the base, facilitating easy maintenance. Another specific advantage of the FIB bell furnace is the automatic power and gas plugging. This smart feature does not require any intervention of the crane operator, yet provides a safe connection and a signal to the computer that the furnace is ready to operate. All the parameters of the equipment and the heat treatment are collected and visible at all times during the process. The operator chooses in the menu the heating cycle that corresponds to the wires to be annealed, with the ability to create new programs. During the whole heat treatment cycle, you can log in and visualize all running parameters, access the database, check the alarm history, or print reports.